Damn, I baked my simulation files for a whole day. Let's see what's the size before zip it and send it over to sheepit. Wait a damn minute. Is that 6 gigabytes? How the hell am I going to send it over? Because the maximum file limit is 750 megabytes before the zip. Oh, now I remember. I can just use split it for that. Go to your browser and enter github.com/ingeneral/split-it. I have the link in the description too. Check out the README section in the Git repository. I explained a few things there. Now go to the latest release and download the zip file. I also explained a few things here. Download it anywhere you want. Now go to the file. Extract it anywhere you want to. It will ask you for a password. The password is split. Why a password? Windows Defender. What do I mean? Check out the README section. Now either move or copy paste it where your simulation folder and blend file is. Remember that they need to be in the same directory. Now run the executable file. There's a chance that Windows will try to block it and tell you it's a Trojan. However, if you check the code, you know it's not. This is happening because I'm using batch scripts to access your files. If they do try to block it, click the notification, or if you don't see the notification, just go to Windows Defender. Select it and select Allow on device. Remember that you need to be an admin in order to do this. This part is black because it prompted me for my administrator rights. Now you can simply run the file. This too, when executed, will ask you for a password. All passwords are the same, and the password is split. This will prompt an installation folder. Don't change it. Install it in the current directory, otherwise it won't work. It's just a few bat files, a README file and the license file. You can delete those later if you want to. As you can see, it will auto-run the file that's needed to do this. Read these. Now let's see what happens if I try to put in a folder name that doesn't exist. You can type in CLS or clear to restart it. I also made it case sensitive because if it's not, the folder name gets changed to lowercase letter, and most people wouldn't want that. So by making this case sensitive, all things would work perfectly fine. Okay, enough messing around, let's actually do this. Now wait till it splits the config, data and mesh files. Drink some water, touch some grass, because it might take a while. Now it will ask you some questions about guiding folders, noise folders and particle folders. As far as I've seen, I haven't seen any files in these folders. But I'm also novice in Blender, and I haven't played around with the settings. So if you do have files in those folders, you can split those too. Or if you don't want to split it, it will just copy-paste the folders in the split simulation cache folders, so your simulation works properly. Now enter the name of your blend file. Be sure to include your blend file extension. This is case sensitive too. Cute anime girl, yay! As you can see, it created those splits perfectly. However, it also creates an additional folder that's the last one that's just trash. I don't know why this happens, but hey, if it works, it works. But but the other folders are fine, as you can see here. If you like this video, subscribe and smash that like button. Also fork the GitHub repository and star it. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I've linked my Reddit account too. And if you want to support me, you can connect device to my account in Sheepit, and you can sponsor me too. Have a great life.